Okay, let's see how this work out. This is my first time to use this, so I don't know. Let's see. This battery. Let me see. I think. Oh, right here. That's Newbie. So, okay, yeah. It's touchscreen, so English. Oh, battery. I need to charge the battery. Oh, what else do I need to do? Done. So what do I need to do? See what's up. Do the format day. Okay. Oh, the forward button. So day and time. Oh, I need to charge the battery first. Sorry. Oh, you don't have to. Yeah, it's no button, just press this touch screen. Maybe that's right. Oh, now I open. Oh, you have to unlock here. See? After unlock, then I'll get the battery out. Okay, let me charge the battery and then let's let you see how it's work out. Okay, now I start setting up this. Alright. Down, up, up, English, next, day format, January 1st, it's okay, okay, and then MB4 movie ideal for playbacks and web upload from a computer and a smartphone. How about this one? Let me see. AVCHD movies ideal for playback on HD TVs compatible with baby mode. I think we choose the MB4 better because I need to make the video for YouTube, so I choose the MB4. Let's see, that's right. Yes. Now set up is complete. To change the setting and press the house, the little tiny symbol here on the screen to access the menu. Okay. No memory card. Let me go to Rabbit. Okay. Okay, this one they give free to me, so I use this one. Cut it. I did that. Oh, let's try that. Okay. The memory card slot right here. So now I think I just slide like this. That's right. Yeah. It's just a slide over here. Probably adjust to closer. Now as memory card in. I think because the time I set up is the time I need to change the time again. So I put the little house here. Never mind. I'll do it later. Okay, it's so far so good. Let me, what next? Oh, you need to close this too in order to, and that's a button on and off. The light is up. Now I turn it back on. And for recording,